Hello guys, welcome back to Mad Chemistry. Today we are discussing the new drug approved for Dravet syndrome. That was phenfluramine. So what is Dravet syndrome? It is a severe type of epilepsy begin within the first year of life, most of within 12 months, and it is rarely found. That is one person in 20,000 to 40,000 people worldwide. So the question arises, is a genetic condition syndrome? So 80% Dravet patients caused by mutation in sodium channel alpha 1 subunit gene. 20% cases though to result of mutation in other genes. Most of the disease causing mutation occur in de novo, means not passing from parents. But up to 10% of the time, mutation causing Dravet syndrome are inherited from parents in an autosomal dominant, means only one faulty copy of disease causing. What are the symptoms of Dravet syndrome? Seizure that longer than 5 minutes and are difficult to control with anti-epilepsy medication. Second, seizure may be triggered fever, illness or warm weather in early phase of the disease. So what are the risk factors? With sleeping disorder and behavioral problem. In the long term, most children with Dravet syndrome experience developmental problem, co- cognitive impairment and weakness in muscle coordination known as ataxia. Dravet syndrome is treated or not? So treatment, it treated with valproate, topiramate, clobazepam or stripenatol may reduce seizure in Dravet syndrome patient. These medication combine for more effective to reduce seizure frequency. Recently approved epidoxil, a cannabis derivative approved for Dravet syndrome and Lennox-Gastaut syndrome. June 25, 2020, the FDA approved fenfluramine, a Schedule 4 controlled substances for treatment of seizure associated with Dravet syndrome. The patient age 2 to older. Dravet syndrome is life-threatening, rare and chronic from epilepsy. So, effect of Fintepla. Demonstrated in 2 clinical trials in 202 subjects between age of 2 to 18. Subject treated with Fintepla had significantly greater reduction of frequency of convulsion seizure during trials. Reduction seen within 3 to 4 weeks and remain consistent over the 14 to 15 weeks treatment periods. Warning: valvular heart diseases and pulmonary arterial hypertension. Because of these risks, patient must have cardiac monitoring using echocardiogram performed before treatment, every 6 months during treatment. Because of the risks, Fintepla is available only through a restricted drug distribution program under a risk evaluation and mitigation strategy. Side effect: drowsiness, sedation and lethargy, diarrhea, constipation, abnormal echogram and ataxia. These are the major side effects. Fintepla received orphan drug designation. The manufacturer is Zogenix. This is new drug approved for Dravet syndrome. References: www.abrio.government and www.dravetsyndromenews.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share the video.